Hi Libra, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for Libra for July the 18th to the 20th. So ayan, nandito pa naman tayo sa date. Pasensya na ulit sa pagiging late. Alam niyo na kung bakit. Yan ang nagkakawa ng mga istorbo sa buhay. Ayan. So, Libra, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading doon po sa kabilang channel, that is Babay Live TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. So, Libra, nagla-live din po tayo doon. So, kung gusto niyo sumali, you're very much welcome. And I want you to know that this is a general reading, no? You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So, simulan na natin, no? Tuloy pa rin ang ating manhunt. Ayan. So, kung gusto niyo sumali sa ating live session, sa ating promotion, raffle na free reading, nandun pa din, no? I-report niyo po yung mga fake accounts na nandyan po sa description box. Ayan, hindi lang kayo ang naghahanap, madami na po naghahanap. Ayan. So, Libra, with the treasured island milk and honey and coming to the edge, I feel like itong merong tao na gusto mag-take ng chance, no, sa inyo or take uli ng chance. Parang kumbaga sa metaphor, no, ito, sabihin natin suicidal, no, hindi yung kanyang pagkatao yung move, kasi parang kung hindi ko to gagawin, hindi ko naman din malalaman. So, I am ready to sabihin natin, i-accept din, no, if in case I'm gonna be rejected by Libra, pero okay kung hindi, no? Kasi I feel like knowing you, no? Kasi parang alam mo na rin to. I think na medyo matagal na with the Two of Wands in reverse, Knight of Wands, the Three of Swords, King of Wands, and the Empress. I feel like nasaktan ka na nitong taong to. Nasaktan ka in a way, pwede kasing magkarelasyon na kayo dati, or papunta pa lang kayo sa relasyon tas naputol, no? It kind of make me feel na itong taong ito is ngayon medyo dire-diretso na ang kanyang decision making sa buhay. Medyo parang sinasabi niya, ay oo, good ako ngayon, no? Wala na akong inhibitions, wala nang sabit, no? And buo yung loob ko ngayon, no? With the Two of Wands in reverse, I'm seeing Ace of Pentacles and the Nine of Cups. I feel like the reason, no, bakit hindi kayo nag-move forward nung time na yon, it's because of, sabihin natin, merong mga responsibilities, meron din siyang mga gusto pang marating sa buhay. Sabihin natin, either kasi simula niya lang ng trabaho, kakasimula lang ng career, no? Hindi niya kaya sigurong pagsabayin that time. I'm not making an excuse, ha. Ito yung pwede niya maging rason. Kasi I feel like yun sa kanya, alam naman niya nasaktan ka niya. No, it's parang hindi niya yun binibigyan ng reason, no, na valid, no? Pero para kasi sa kanya, siguro makakapag-antay itong relationship. Yun nga lang, no? Ito na nga siya, feeling niya ito yung right time. So, parang sinasabi niya, kailangan ko ng lakas ng loob ko kasi whether or not, di ba, hindi ko naman mababawi yung pain na I've caused Libra. Nandun din yun. Pero if Libra is going to give me a chance, you know, to sabihin natin, bigyan ako ng chance, no, na ituwid lahat ng pagkakamali ko. No, it's gonna be a privilege for me. The Moon card and the Ace of Swords. So, hindi niya talaga alam ang iyong magiging desisyon or baka I feel like hindi mo rin inaasahan na bigla itong susulpot sa buhay mo, no? Uli. Ayan. So, I feel like we can call this person an ex. The Queen of Wands, the Ace of Cups, the Ten of Cups. I feel like these persons still have a place in your heart, no? Or at least made a mark in your heart. At one point in time, siguro, sabihin natin, yeah, I believe that you also have fond memories of you and this person. Um, I feel like, are you going to take a chance with the King of Pentacles and the Seven of Pentacles? Um, at one moment in time, no, ah, I feel like medyo inaantay mo rin siya or inantay mo siya, tas nakalimutan mo na, no? Kalimutan mo sa sobrang pag-aantay, tas baka nasabi mo, ay, naku, hindi na mangyayari. Pero eto, Knight of Swords and the Emperor. I feel like this person is now more mature. This person is more aggressive in a way. This person is more sure of their decision, more sure of their feelings, is now very capable of taking actions and doing actions no, na kaya ng suportahan. It kind of make me feel like this, if in case lang naman, nabibigyan mo ito ng chance kasi I feel like, hindi ko sinasabing deserve, pero deserve mo itong ganitong pagmamahal. No? Again, hindi niya deserve, bigyan mo siya ng chance dahil nasaktan ka na niya. No? Pero deserve mo yung bit-bit niya ngayon na abundance. Whether it is monetary wise, materially wise, whether it is, pwedeng sabihin natin, energetic din, no? Yung, kumbaga, buong-buo na siya ngayon eh. Hindi siya katulad dati na pumasok lang sa isang relationship or papasok sa isang relationship na half-baked, no? Half-baked yung kanyang mga decision. Siguro that time, para lang may masabing, may jowa ako. Ngayon, um, ready na akong magka-jowa kasi either financially stable, emotionally stable, intellectually stable, no? Na siya, no? So I feel like medyo mas buo siya ngayon compare sa dating sabihin nating naglalaro, no? Kasi the emperor in here, the maturity of this person, plus the fact that this person is already kind of coming into the edge, no? Tapos with the um moon, I mean honeymoon. This is honeymoon, milk and honey. So pulot pukyutan ba tawag doon? So iyan, pulot pukyutan. So yeah, honeymoon. So it felt like to me this connection, no, parang prepared siya, even financially. This person probably separated from you na merong mga baggages, no? Bit-bit ka niya, hindi lang nga in physical form, but emotionally, bit-bit niya. Um, did they try? I feel like flirted, yes, but in a relationship, no. Sabihin natin nakipaglandi-landian, pero not to a point na naging close sila katulad naging closeness nyo, no? So, I felt like doon pa lang, nasabi niya sa sarili niya, meron akong taong babalikan, no? So, Libra, tignan natin dito ang feelings nitong person na ito, or it could also be your feelings that could manifest in here, no? I think about you all the time, and why do we have to be apart? Now, this could be a mirrored question by the both of you, no? So, I feel like if that's the case, if both of you are actually asking, no, um, these kind of questions, I feel like there's a higher chance that both of you are gonna be together once again. Um, Let's check the zodiac sign of this person. Now, this could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Aries, I'm seeing Taurus, no? Of Virgo, Capricorn, Pisces, Scorpio, Leo, Cancer, Sagittarius. Yan. So yeah, this is your reading. Libra, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin sa kabilang channel po yan, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience, and kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live session sa kabilang channel po, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. No, pasensya lang sa pagiging late. Alam niyo na yung dahilan. Tuloy pa rin ang ating manhunt, no? So, kung di po kayo masasatisfied sa yes or no na sagot, sa description box nandun po ang aking link. Nandun lang po ang information on how to ask questions. Ayan. And if you also want to avail our private reading, nandun din po yan sa description box. So, love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.